Mortals, heed this counsel. I am Kratos. Today, I unveil the art of taming the raging inferno within. The management of anger. Anger, a relentless fire that once consumed my soul, clouding my judgment and leading me astray. Yet, from the ashes of wrath, I forged a path to restraint and control. Know thy anger. Denying its existence breeds folly. Acknowledge its presence, but never permit it to wield power over your actions. Amidst the storm of emotions, find solace in stillness. Pause, breathe. Let not the tempest within dictate your course. Discipline is the key. Channel the fires of fury into a relentless determination. Allow it to fuel your resolve, but never let it dictate your path. Control, not suppression, is the path to transcendence. Embrace patience, fortitude, and understanding in the face of adversity. Mastery over anger, mortals, grants you the strength to rise above chaos, to navigate life's trials with a steadfast heart.